Can we see it yet? Shine the light up.
Oh yeah, look at this sweetheart, hey? That's why I like to sell cars right when it's nice and dark like this. You can't see all the blemishes.
Who said anything about selling?
No. I'm just mean this is the prime.
God.
Look how nice that opens. Just look at this.
That's a sweet pea, man.
Oh yeah, like barely.
Look at
Like other than a couple of huge rust holes in the trunk.
really. Wow.
But look at most of the fabric shit's still in here underneath.
All the jute.
Yeah. There's your herb cleaner.
Always love the oblong one from circular. Look at this thing. Wow.
I'll open the hood for you too. He's got the title from North Dakota still for it too.
God. Look at this thing.
Yeah, we don't like this kind of thing at all.
So that's a little bit of a whiskey dent. Told me about that.
Oh,
First time I touched a 50 Buick Earl.
That's a
So
sweet,
cool, eh?
sweet whiskey dent, actually.
Look, just check this. Look at how nice this door opens and closes. The hood's in the way, Paul, because we didn't.
Very nice. Yeah, the side tilt hood.
Open the door.
Oh. Look at this thing, eh?
Yeah, two-door hardtop, man. Like,
There's some blemishes right down over, right about here-ish, where the trim was. All the glass is in it. All the trims inside the car. The windshield's good. All the round glass is good. Yeah, shield's good.
man, it's cool, hey?
It's so fun.
In a sea of, like, scary-looking cars, that's the fucking scariest. Shine it in there. There we go. Will it focus? Oh yeah, there we go. Here, let me just get some zoom on it there. Look at this amazing GM Queen.
I'll follow you over.
Okay.
It's a Super Riviera. It's got the factory radio.
Sure.
Factory radio. It's got a cigarette lighter, 2 ashtrays built into the dash.
Big jute box.
Let's have a look at this nice molding, Paul.
Okay.
All the nice stainless around the windows.
It is actually pretty nice, hey?
Yeah. Oh, this was not a cheap car. See the emblem on the back.
Well, these were well-built cars. Here's the plate.
Oh, there's your data plate. Let's have a look. Get a look it up.
Michigan. Nice. 1950 model. Neat.
56.
They still put the year on that.
Cool.
That's cool. That's really cool.
That's slick, eh?
Do the whole.
Okay? You alright? You okay? Here.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. Just mad.
You okay?
Yeah.
Can happen.
It was so dark.
It was so dark, right? Wow. So 1950 Buick Super Riviera. Not much. How about you? Frankers is in jail because she won't stop chasing the cats. Still has the radio in it.
Yeah, radio.
Shows 74,000. I like that it's 3 on the tree, so no Dynaflow to mess with. It's a good thing it's not 3 on the floor because there's no floor. She does need a little reconstruction in this area here.
Yes. You just circled the whole car?
Yeah. Just repair it here and here and here. Oh my, the whole rocker has gone away from the B post. That's a construction job there. Look at how nice all these big moldings are, eh? That's really cool.
Yeah, all the trim was
The roof is really nice and straight.
trunk's nice.
Trunk lid is very nice. I wonder what somebody had on it here. Something has been sitting on there, a blanket or something to do that.
Tire. Look at the
Tire.
circle.
Somebody had an old tire sitting on there with leaves on it, and that's what rusted it. Yeah, there's your original color. Whatever that would have been. Some kind of brown. Is it brown or green? It's green.
Green, yeah.
So this tire, these two tires hold air. Whoa.
That's the Dunlop.
The old Dunlop.
What do we got going on in the back here? We have a
Dunlop Gold Seal.
What was that with this car? Yeah, you fell. Straight 8.
This goes
I
there.
didn't try to put it back in because it's obviously off
Yeah.
for a reason, so.
Yeah, it goes there. Slides underneath this rubber, which has decomposed.
Yeah.
That's good. And this one here. Yes, Carter WCB. That's the same as what's on the Fraser here. Very similar. 2-barrel Carter, same year and everything. It's accelerator, pump linkage, power valve. All very stuck. Yeah. That's a. Oh, look at these shocks. Aren't these cool?
Yeah, I was looking at those.
Those are rotating.
The lever
style shocks.
lever shocks, yeah, they're
These
cool.
lever shocks, yeah. Those are very heavy duty. Trim rings. Buick. There's a mirror. Double ashtrays. Nice. What's this knob on the rear view mirror?
That is your antenna adjustment.
You can adjust the antenna. Oh, sweet. It can tilt. That's cool. Boy, just zero. No kids have ever tobogganed down the roof of the car.
Bucket of spray 9. I should go throw in the one tire just to make it look good.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Dome light still in it. Glass still in it. Mirror still in it. Yeah. 50 Buick. One of the coolest cars. So it's funny because the Fraser and the Buick would have been direct competition. It looks like some sea creature coming to eat you, whereas this looks like last year's Cadillac.
I like it. It's fucking cool.
I love the 50 grill. I think they wanted it to look like a waterfall or something, and but it ended up looking like a giant squid.
Yeah.
The front mounts are intact. The front body mounts, that's what's keeping the body up from falling down. And the frame itself, I think, if we don't see any major damage on the frame, right? Frost plugs are all still intact. Motor mounts are intact. Manifolds are all unbroken. That's a delicate intake manifold. You see that? Like, look at this. If anybody ever tried to lift the engine by that, it would probably not last very long.
I could easily walk 40 yards, but that's so... Oh.
There. That's fine. It's nothing, no major problems in there. It's all there, and
It's all one piece.
look, it's not all rotten.
No.
No, it's fine. Just stuck
Like it
from
looked,
age.
like the plugs looked like they were relatively when they were last put in.
There's the fuel pump, also serving as the vacuum pump. See, that runs the wipers.
That's so cool.
So you've got manifold vacuum and actual pump vacuum up to here. A time when GM ruled the world.
Put it to the top there first. Grab the front. Kind of roughly.
Yep. That just falls right in.
Yep.
There we go. No, it's never been butchered. That's the thing. I would way rather have this than an old restoration.
That is fucking magic.
That is cool. That is straight out of World War II, eh?
Yeah.
It's a gun site for taking down lesser vehicles. Let's fire it up.
They're
Oop.
probably in there somewhere.
The steering wheel center. The horn ring is nice still.
I never even gone through it to see what's in the car. I just literally just
got
sitting here.
full gauges too, amps, temp, and oil pressure and
That
clock.
came with. It's got things like a Signal would have.
Oh, be very well. There you go. It's signals, factory signals. I'll be
That
damned.
on the-
Just weird that they're on the right side, but of course that stuff wasn't even standardized by then, right? The little crank open vent windows, which are cool, which we are not going to try.
No.
Really, you cannot lose with these early GM hardtops. It is just such an attractive car. You gonna calm down, please? It's cool of Paul to show us that awesome old Buick. I was kind of, you know, I really wanted it, but I had to say to myself, you know, how many cars do you have? Like, how many cars do you really need another car? So, anyway, I had to leave it there as much as I didn't really want to. Just kidding. So, let's unload this baby and get it in here somewhere. Just slightly running out of room here. Is a regular contributor.
Same old shit.